are talking about the future and the past of bamboo. My name is Cheng Yutai and I have been in the bamboo industry for over 40 years. I have been working in this industry all my life because I love bamboo. After getting to know bamboo, well, I think that bamboo is the best gift from God to human beings. In recent years, due to global, environmental awareness, we should use bamboo instead of wood, and we can even use bamboo material to replace plastic, so that we have the chance to save the earth. Today, I am glad that we are going to talk about bamboo. I think bamboo has a great influence to the world. And in Taiwan, we have made great progress in recent years in the research of bamboo materials and bamboo processing technology. So we hope to share this experience with the world and lead some innovations. We hope that every country that has bamboo can use it to develop an industry. The first international impression of bamboo was made because of a movie by a Taiwanese director. That was Ang Lee's Crouching Tiger, Hidden Dragon. Before that, many Westerns had never seen bamboo. But they started to know and to understand what bamboo is from this movie. This is a very good phenomenon. I fell in love with bamboo very early on. So I've been around bamboo all my life. I'm not only very passionate about it, but I'm also doing well in this industry in Taiwan. I have a company called Puyan Bamboo Arts Workshop, which specializes in the design, mass production and sale of bamboo products. In short, Puyan Bamboo Arts Workshop is a bamboo-based company. Today, I am sharing my 40 years of experience with you. The syllabus is as following: the origin of bamboo, the distribution of bamboo, the characteristics of bamboo, bamboo anatomy, applications of bamboo, bamboo handcraft techniques, bamboo classification and bamboo crafts industry. In addition, we will share many novel uses of bamboo, which can be used as references in the direction of our future development. In ancient times, there was a poet, Sudongpo. He wrote a poem a long time ago. Without meat comes weakness, without bamboo becomes vulgarity. Although it was written 1,000 years ago, nowadays, it is still correct. If you have bamboo products in your home, it can really bring some atmosphere of elegance. So it is good for us to produce bamboo-related products. In the Ming Dynasty, an emperor wrote a poem about bamboo. It was a poem about the benefits and properties of bamboo. Snow made the bamboo lower his head. It bows, but not muddy. And with dawn comes the scarlet sun. Still stands in pair with the clouds. The bamboo has a meaning of integrity because it grows so straight. The poem means that though bamboo is crushed by snow, it will not get muddy. When the sun comes out tomorrow morning, it can still stand very tall and as high as the clouds. Then we move to the distribution of bamboo around the world. I am not going to introduce it in detail here. In Taiwan, we have gooey bamboo, mengzong bamboo, thorny bamboo, and long-shoot bamboo. Many species of bamboo can be used. There are many species of bamboo in the subtropical regions of the world. The most northern distribution is beneath the temperate zones. All the different kinds of bamboo have different characteristics, which will be mentioned later. Since they have different characteristics, they can be used in a variety of ways. Bamboo industry can be developed in many different ways in different countries. Bamboo is a member of the Poaceae family. It is neither herbaceous nor wood. Bamboo is in between. So I think it is a wonderful creation of God. Bamboo is very environmentally friendly. It can be cut down in only 4 years. And it is so strong that it can be used as a load-bearing rod or an oxen binding. It has strong resilience and it thrives easily. Besides the application of bamboo itself, bamboo sprouts can be eaten. If we keep bamboo sprouts, they will become a bamboo forest. So we can consider using bamboo instead of wood. Let the earth rest and prosper. Moreover, bamboo has a wide range of applications. It can be used for food, clothing, housing, transportation, education and entertainment, which we will mention later. Whether in constructions, in furniture, in household items and artworks, we can use bamboo to create what we want and need. And bamboo is very elegant and beautiful in appearance. It can be used in many creative ways. At the same time, bamboo has a bit of delicacy in its rustic characteristic, which is very special. Therefore, products made from this kind of material will be very popular. Since I have been in this industry for many years, I experienced the time when bamboo was slowly replaced by plastic products. Bamboo products are gradually disappearing from household products. But nowadays, as the awareness of environmental protection increases, we should replace plastic with bamboo and replace wood with bamboo. The Chinese character for rest is a person plus a wood. So it is better to be in nature and to use something natural when people want to rest. We should use more natural materials such as wood. However, the continuous cutting of wood will cause global warming and ecological catastrophe. Therefore, we should think about how to use bamboo to replace wood and we can be more environmentally friendly. Bamboo products have good texture and strong resilience. In Indonesia, some people even use bamboo as a piling material. It helps people to turn some swampy lands into good farmland or building land. Therefore, bamboo is a material that can be widely used. Bamboo is hollow, so it is suitable for making tubes. For example, look at the picture on the screen. We can make bamboo into something cylindrical. It can be made into a coin bank with 2 or 3 cuts. It can also be used as other things because the bamboo has nodes. We can take a part of the bamboo and leave the node to make a rice container. We can use a little help of CNC processing to make the container rounder. We can wrap it in tin foil and steam it. Then it becomes bamboo rice. Bamboo rice has the aroma of bamboo in it, so it is very delicious. Bamboo can also be used as a water bucket. It can be used as a teacup, etc. There are many ways to use it. Bamboo can also be used for various physical shapes. For example, structural materials. Take a look at some of the different ways bamboo applications. The base at the bottom is made of half-cut mengzong bamboo. The 3 small bamboos on the left side are made of round bamboos. The one which are slightly curved is made of laminated bamboo. The lampshade is made by cutting the bamboo into strips and weaving them into a cylinder. After putting a bulb inside, we will have a beautiful lamp. By combining the different shapes of bamboo, you can make many beautiful products. Then we move to the future of bamboo. Since bamboo has some features such as fast growth, easy exploitation and stable production, it is a best choice to replace wood. Also, it has a beautiful appearance and it's appreciated worldwide. The bamboo was introduced to Europe 30 years ago. But the situation back then was not like today. About 30 years ago, I brought my own bamboo chairs to Europe for exhibition. The Scandinavians loved it. They asked me what kind of wood it was. I told them that it was bamboo. At that time, Europeans had never seen bamboo, so they didn't understand. Thanks to the movie Crouching Tiger, Hidden Dragon directed by Ang Lee, now all the world know what bamboo is. And they all know very well the characteristics of bamboo material. In addition, I repeatedly mentioned that bamboo is a green, natural and ecological material, so that the leftover materials can be thrown into the soil directly. Bamboo will decompose naturally and can be used as fertilizer. Unlike plastic, which cannot be decomposed. I have also repeatedly put emphasis on the need of using bamboo instead of wood. In this content, One of the materials is very important, called laminated bamboo. In Taiwan, due to the recent technical advances in bonding and paint treatment, the laminated bamboo is more durable. Bamboo can also be combined with many different materials. Whether it's wood, plastic, or iron, bamboo can be used to create the finishing touch. I am also trying to promote the combination of bamboo and high-tech products. It can add more warmth to the cold technology products. Also, products that combine natural materials with craftsmanship are often very popular. So I believe that there are many opportunities for the future of bamboo. No matter what country you are in, there is a great opportunity for the development of the bamboo industry. I am also convinced that the bamboo industry will flourish in the future. If there is a place that produces bamboo, people will be able to produce their own relative products near the bamboo forest with simple tools. They can produce bamboo products for their own use, or for commercial use, and bamboo can create a green economy. There is a huge potential in the global market. In the past, some foreigners came to Taiwan's village, Jushan, to buy bamboo and make bike stands. They are usually made of iron. It is stunning when it is made of bamboo. That's why I think that it can be used as packaging material, structural material, or be made into various products. And it can even replace plastic. Because bamboo has different physical shapes, we can combine the various physical shapes of bamboo to create desk lamps and other items. With the right combination, you can produce unique products. Therefore, I believe that the bamboo industry will flourish if we promote it with all our strength. Moreover, bamboo can survive in any environment and it's highly productive. It needs only 4 years to fully grow. After cutting down, the bamboo can thrive again. Unlike trees that have been grown for 40 years into a certain size, after cutting it down, it takes a long time to have another tree which is in the similar size. Also, bamboo produces oxygen throughout the growing process. In addition, there are many bamboo forests that can be developed into various recreation areas. There are already many in Taiwan. Here are the most famous scenic spot. It is the Bamboo Sea in Sichuan Province, China. It was noticed by the scene in Ang Lee's movie. I think it is a pleasure to visit a bamboo forest. I also think that the development of bamboo forests should be complemented with technological integrations so that it can be more effective. In fact, bamboo is very useful. For example, laminated bamboo can replace some things that are originally made of wood. Here are the pictures the movie Crouching Tiger, Hidden Dragon. Let the world know about bamboo materials and lead the overall development of the industry. Look at the picture. The hero and heroine of the movie are standing on this bamboo forest. On the top of bamboo, they fight and compete with each other. The film also shows the flexibility of bamboo. If a person stands on the branch may break off directly. After that, the whole world started to know more about bamboo. Especially the Germans, since they have a higher level of environmental awareness. They seriously studied the structure and organization of bamboo. It was found that the internal structure of bamboo is a triangular-shaped fiber. That's why bamboo has the property of high resilience. Now Germans have a thorough research about bamboo. They also combine the tie methods, such as cross-tie, to make strong material. Combined with the resilience of bamboo, it can make some very good building materials. A German young man once made good use of the rounded end of bamboo. The end was turned into a tapered shape with CNC processing, and he added one iron part on it. It became a component that could be connected to other things. After a simple assembly, a bamboo house was made. There are also bamboo houses in Taiwan, but they are assembled in a different way. In fact, there are many applications. The German assembly method mentioned earlier has also been patented. I think it's a very good design. Then we move to the characteristics of bamboo. I just mentioned that bamboo is a very good gift from God. Bamboo roots can be used as craft materials. The Puyuan Bamboo Arts Workshop has used bamboo roots to make flower vessels. Bamboo can also be used as fruit trays, key trays, or cut into pieces for coasters, etc. There are so many applications. The bamboo stems are also used for many purposes. I think bamboo is a plant dedicated entirely to humans. The roots, stems, and leaves can all be used. Bamboo is also very strong and resilient. A bamboo pole can carry 100 kilograms. Chinese speakers think that the hollow part of bamboo represents modesty. In fact, although bamboo is hollow, it has a very strong structure. The bamboo nodes represent dignity. This is a special structure. In addition, the structure of bamboo nodes is quite special. When bamboo grows, it doesn't grow from one node after another. Instead, all the nodes grow together. The fastest growing speed of bamboo can be 1 meter a day. It can grow to a certain height in its first year of growth. The final height of the bamboo is already determined at the initial stage. Bamboo grows fast in the first year. and the second and third years are the period when the overall structure and fibers become more mature. In the fourth year, it can be cut down and used. The bamboo is highly productive and can survive in any environment. The bamboo sprouts are edible. When we left some bamboo sprouts in the ground, they grow into bamboo. It only takes about 4 years for one life cycle. Fresh bamboo will gradually dry up after the 6th or 7th year. But if processed into laminated bamboo, it can last for more than 50 years. Next, we will explore the structure of bamboo. As you can see here, there is a bamboo section. The outermost part is called bamboo grain. The tissue here is the densest. The middle part is called bamboo flesh. The hard part next to the hollow part is called bamboo yellow. Bamboo yellow is more brittle. It can be used as a teaspoon or flattened and made into a tabletop. The other parts of the whole bamboo are bamboo base, bamboo rod, bamboo branches and bamboo leaves. I have just mentioned the use of bamboo roots. There are also some applications of bamboo rods, which will be introduced later, as they are used in food, clothing, housing and transportation. Bamboo sticks can be used as a bamboo broom or as a screen for decoration. One of my favorite uses is that bamboo sticks can be used as a teaching whip. My mother used to call it stir-fried pork with bamboo sticks. That is, to teach children with bamboo sticks. It would hurt but not hurt much. Nowadays, there are many more uses for bamboo sticks. With a little bending or some simple methods, you can make a very good product. It can also be a very good decoration. Bamboo leaves also have many functions. They can be made into hats, etc., which will be introduced later. Let's first understand the structure of bamboo. Then we will think about the way of using bamboo and its applications. First of all, we will learn about the various physical forms of bamboo. When it has not been processed or changed in any way, it is round in shape. That's why we sometimes call it round bamboo. But after processing, it can be made into various shapes. The first one is a bamboo woven board. A bamboo woven board is made by cutting the bamboo into veneers or into various strips and then weaving it into a plate. This kind of board can be used for a wide range of purposes, like the stencil that some people use now. A stencil is a bamboo woven board placed in the middle. Then, put other boards, or laminated, bamboo sheets on the top of it, and we sew bamboo strips together in the middle of this products. It is a piece of stencil. If the stencil is glued, it will become a water-resistant stencil. You can also use bamboo with some red glue to make a very hard stencil. Not only can it be used as outdoor furniture, it can also be used as a kitchen countertop. This is a very water-resistant material. The second one is bamboo laminated sheet, or bamboo laminated board. The bamboo is divided into 2 cm wide strips thickness is about half a centimeter. Then it is put together into a sheet about 30 centimeters wide. This is the same as using 15 strips of bamboo to make a 30 centimeters wide, 2-meter long board. Such a board is called a bamboo laminated sheet. After a layer is made, another layer is added, and the layers can be added continuously. The thickness depends on your need or your preference. It can even be used as a crossbeam for a house. Bamboo laminated sheets can be strong enough for beams. You will see more things made of laminated bamboo sheets later. It is a good material because it's a standard product. It has a wide range of applications and now it can be mass-produced. That is also what Puyan Bamboo Arts Workshop is good at. Let's introduce bamboo veneers. There are 2 methods to make bamboo veneers. The first one is called rotary cut veneer. It is made from round-shaped bamboo. After thicker bamboos are steamed and softened, we can use rotary cut machine to cut out bamboo veneers. The thickness is about half a millimeter. The length of the bamboo is about 1 foot or 1.2 feet. Depending on the size of the bamboo itself. Bamboo veneers are also widely used. After bending, it can be used to make furniture. It can form beautiful curves like Scandinavian furniture. It is also possible to use different bending angles to make beautiful crafts. The bending strength of bamboo is much better than wood. However, it is more difficult to do plane slicing with bamboo. First, we need to steam and soften the thick laminated bamboo sheet and it can be cut out with a plane slicing machine. This method involves the application of advanced glues. Because the laminated bamboo sheet needs to be steamed. So, if the glue is not water resistant, the glue will crack easily. Next, we move to the round bamboo. Round bamboo is the original shape of the bamboo. Most of the original shape of the bamboo is preserved. In the ancient times, there was a special method of processing round bamboo to make bamboo more firm and durable. Take a section of bamboo and then put in another bamboo in the middle of the previous one. That means there are 4 pieces of bamboo and it is very secure. In the past, round bamboo furniture was made in this way. It is a very special way. There was a very famous international furniture designer and he was very impressed by this method. Later on, he applied it in iron pipes. But there are still properties of bamboo which are not able to be replaced. After being made into fibers and reassembling, the last unwanted parts of bamboo are able to be made into paper, fabric, clothing, etc. Bamboo fibers can be pressed into rice paper. If the fiber is rougher, it can be made into spirit money. Making bamboo fiber into fabric is a relatively new application. I think this kind of new application will become more and more popular. Bamboo itself is a very good natural material, so it can be made into very comfortable clothing. Bamboo can be used in these ways in physical form alone. And there will be many more developments in the future. There's a story I want to share with you. There was a philanthropist who was approached by a man. The man said that there was a family who was so poor. The philanthropist decided to go and see the family. They were indeed very poor. When the philanthropist came out of the house, people asked what he would do to help them. The philanthropist said that this family was not poor, but lazy. He said, "I saw 2 bamboo bushes next to the entrance of their house. If they can make good use of them, they won't be poor." Because bamboo can be used to make furniture, bowls, chopsticks, and even be used to cook bamboo rice. If they do want to get away from poverty, they can use those bamboos so they won't be so poor. In addition, there is a custom of the indigenous people who lived in the tribe called Smangus, in Nontau. When they leave their families, they always bring bamboo with them. Because bamboo is very useful. Bamboo shoots can be eaten after planting and bamboo can be used as building materials, etc. It has contributed to human life in many ways. The most recent and important development is laminated bamboo. About 40 years ago, a group of professors from the Forestry Department of National Taiwan University and National Chongqing University realized that bamboo should be used more often to replace wood. Otherwise, too much wood would be cut down and that would lead to the acceleration of global warming. So a technical specialist named Shi Chingkang from the Agricultural Development Council at that time allocated a lot of funds to this group of professors. They were responsible for the research of laminated bamboo. The main research was on glue and coating. Their research and development did work. They mixed up a lot of chemicals to invent a kind of glue. The glue provides excellent water resistance, weather resistance, durability, and alcohol resistance. At that time, the researcher transferred this technology to a company called Tangchuk Company. However, There were many difficulties in exporting laminated bamboo back then. As I mentioned earlier, when I went to Denmark to exhibit bamboo products, Europeans asked me what kind of wood it was. Even after explaining, they still didn't understand what it was. But now, the whole world knows what bamboo is. And laminated bamboo is a very good material to use because it is a standard product. Any product made from wood can be made from laminated bamboo as well. And it can do much better. Then, let's talk about bamboo in terms of food, clothing, housing and transportation. The most common type of food is bamboo shoots. All kinds of bamboo have bamboo sprouts because they are the seedlings of bamboo. You can eat bamboo shoots produced by different kinds of bamboo all year round. The second common plant is the bamboo fungus. This is a kind of fungus that grows in the bamboo forest. We can also use bamboo leaves to make rice dumplings. We can also use bamboo to cook rice and shrimp. For the clothing part, bamboo hats are the most common item. The newest application is to make clothes using the fiber of bamboo. The clothes in the picture are made in different ways. They are made of small sections of bamboo, small bamboo branches or small bamboo beads strung together. It is cool and breathable. Now, there are also many famous brands in the world that like to add bamboo elements to their clothes and bags. There are many ways to use bamboo. Bamboo is more relevant to housing. For example, the bamboo house in the picture. Nowadays, due to the progress of technology, it is possible to make bamboo houses in different ways. Bamboo water pipes are also very common. When I was a child and I lived in the mountains, the villagers used to make a system of bamboo pipes so that we didn't need to carry water. Nowadays, most of them are replaced by plastic pipes. The bamboo pipe can be dug in small holes just like this picture. They can also be made into water pipes by simply cutting them in half. In addition, bamboo can be made into furniture, chopsticks, cutting boards, stir-fry spoons, rice spoons, cups, teapots, etc. I won't go into the details here. As for transportation, bamboo can be made into bamboo bridges. If you have been to Shito, you can see that the arch bridge at University Pond is made of bamboo. Using the curvature of bamboo to make the arch bridge. You can also make bamboo piles. As I mentioned earlier, in some countries, in order to enclose swampy land for turning into farmland or building land, they use bamboo, which is less perishable, to enclose an area first and then gradually fill in the soil. Then, by repeating the same method, the swamp will turn into building land. You can also use the bamboo to build a berm and reduce the amount of soil erosion. Then we come to the educational part. For example, rice paper can be made of bamboo fiber. Another example is the ancient bamboo slips. Nowadays, many people use bamboo slips as a product introduction or as a restaurant's menu. Bamboo swords is also an example. Taiwan produces the most bamboo swords in the world because Taiwan's gooey bamboo are flexible and strong. It is very suitable for making bamboo swords. They are usually exported to Japan and Korea because Japan and Korea need bamboo swords for kendo practice. Another common product is the writing brush. The pen is made of bamboo tube. The traditional way is made from round bamboo. But now, we also use laminated bamboo to make a round shape. Drill a hole in the middle, and put in a refill. The pen is made into a ballpoint pen, fountain pen, etc. Many teaching aids can also be made from bamboo. Bamboo has many applications in the entertainment part. There are many DIY children's toys using bamboo. For example, the bamboo dragonfly. You can use your hands to push it out. And then there are bamboo guns. Using rubber bands to tie a few bamboo, then you will have a bamboo gun. Next is the windmill flute. You can blow and make a funny sound. Next is the waterfowl flute. The sound that comes out is very much like a water bird chirping. It is a combination of thick bamboo pipe and a relatively small bamboo pipe. Next is the balanced dragonfly. It is a toy that requires skill. When you put it on, it will swing from side to side but will not fall down. The base is a half piece of bamboo tube with bamboo strips. The wings are also thinly sliced bamboo. Then comes the bamboo cicada. The bamboo cicada has to be circled. When it is winding, it will make a sound like a cicada. Bamboo windmill is also a very lovely toy. In fact, there are many toys made of bamboo in modern times. For example, a bamboo tube wrapped in leather can be made into a bell drum. Bamboo can also be used to make many musical instruments, such as percussion instruments, or bamboo pipes of different lengths can be used to make flutes. It can also be made into a bamboo piano. Recently, more bamboo instruments are being developed. The next issue to discuss is the limitation of the use of bamboo. How to deal with such limitations? First of all, we need to take a look at the technique of bamboo. How do we make bamboo into what we want to use? There are several methods. The first is bamboo weaving. The first method is to make the bamboo into strips and then weave them together. Even after weaving, it can be pressed into boards. Then there is bamboo carving. Using a carving knife to make a shape. We will explain in detail with case studies later. You may understand it better. Next is the bamboo pipe and the round bamboo. And there are more things we can do with laminated bamboo. First of all, we talk about bamboo weaving. There are various types and ways of bamboo weaving, including coarse weaving and fine weaving. You can make a bag, a bamboo cage, a carrying cage, or even an oven. Bamboo weaving has a wide range of applications. Here are just a few examples. It can even be made into screens, ceilings, etc. Then there is bamboo carving. Bamboo carving materials need to be selected. The bamboo carving on the left is a coir. The material used is called sphinx bamboo or turtle bamboo. This is a carver who uses the characteristics of this material to carve this kind of work. The work on the right is a work which contains a good meaning, with 3 frogs climbing on it. Because part of this bamboo has dense bamboo nodes. The carver took advantage of this feature and created this work, symbolizing people climbing somewhere higher up. Bamboo carving has many other applications as well. Besides crafts, it can also be used to carve windows, flowers, lamps, etc. Next is the round pipe. Besides being a water pipe, it can also be made into a chair. It only needs simple treatment. And for the flower vessel, just cut out 2 holes near the root of the bamboo. Then we can put flowers. You can put flowers on both top and bottom. Round tubes of bamboo are used in a variety of applications, including building a house. Next, we introduce the application of strips. After using the machine to turn the bamboo into strips, it could be further divided into bamboo green, bamboo flesh and bamboo yellow. Bamboo green can be used for knitting. The bamboo flesh can be pressed together to make laminated bamboo sheets, and the laminated bamboo can be pressed thicker. It can also be made into other patterns or large pieces of material, which will be more easily to use. Bamboo strips can also be woven into mat. It can be used for sleeping. It can also be used as curtain. It can also be used as a wall panel after plywood is attached. On the picture are the masters of the factory. They use traditional woodworking method to process laminated bamboo and to make various kinds of furniture. This is a world-famous bamboo chair, designed by Konstantin Gurchich from Germany. It was highly praised at the Milan exhibition and even throughout Europe. It was made by the master of my company. The chair is made of curved bamboo veneers. There are 43 pieces in total, so it is called 43. It is a suspension chair. It shows the flexibility of the bamboo. The curvature of each of the 43 pieces is different, so it is very unique. It is still appreciated by many people today. It is a very expensive chair and it has both ornamental and practical value. The next chair is called the infinity chair. It is designed by a Maya, an Aboriginal designer from Taiwan. It is made by my company. This chair will sway a little from side to side when you sit on it. You can feel the flexibility of the bamboo. It's like sitting on a massage chair. It is also a very popular work. The designer also plans to use the same lines and design ideas to create other products, such as bookshelves. The following is my personal work. Bamboo is a strong material. I invited a young designer to help me finish the project. This sofa set is so popular. It is because the back and seat are supported by 4 thin bamboo strips, which are not fixed. So when you sit down, you can feel the softness and flexibility of bamboo. Although there is no foam, it is flexible and it's an ergonomic design. It is also very breathable. That's why we call it a floating bamboo sofa. In order to make a beautiful appearance and a good feel of touching, bamboo products must be sanded. The best lacquer for sanding is PU lacquer. Each layer of lacquer should be as thin as possible. And the more layers, the better. The product will be amazing after sanding. It can also improve the durability and waterproofness of the product, and do not spray too thick when spraying paint. Spray 1 coat and then sand 1 coat. These processes are very time-consuming and labor-intensive. Therefore, the cost is relatively high. Actually, it's necessary to slow down in order to make a good piece of work. Now, we move on to the limitations of bamboo and how to handle it. First of all, the bamboo sometimes cracks when it is too dry. So we will need to prevent it from cracking. In ancient times, there was a method called water immersing. We put the bamboo in water for 1 to 2 years and prevent it from cracking. We also have a method called drying by using a special low-temperature drying method. The lower temperature for a longer period of time keeps the round shape of the bamboo from cracking. Another way is carbonization. The bamboo is put into a high-pressure steamer and steam is fed to the bamboo while it is pressurized. This will make the bamboo browner. But the bamboo will become drier and less likely to split. There is also a smoked method, making the bamboo less likely to split and become harder. Bamboo is also easy to get insect infestation because bamboo contains sugar. Especially during the period of growing bamboo sprouts. We need to pay attention to this problem. Carbonization can be used to avoid insect infestation. For the problem of bamboo mold, the best way to deal with it is to keep it dry. In addition, bamboo has many irregular dimensions. Therefore, it is necessary to find a way to make the dimensions fixed when setting the circumference of the length and width. The first step is to select carefully. Or we can use CNC processing to make it rounder or turn it into a tapered shape, etc. I would like to share a few photos with you. These are some cases of modern technology combined with traditional craftsmanship. We can add some warmth to the cold technical product. Like this laptop in the picture. We made a bamboo shell to protect the notebook. Next is bamboo weaving. There is a new weaving method which weaves with detachable inner mold. After weaving bamboo, we can take out the mold. Then you will have a complete piece of work. Next is a photo of a bamboo carving. Nowadays, we can use copying machines and CNC machines to help us. You can use these machines to carve out the rough prototype. Then the carver will polish it into a complete carving. Now, there is a possibility to put bamboo carving into mass production. There are also more developments in round tube furniture. First, we use machines to manufacture the parts and then we put them together. That will enhance the possibility of mass production. Next is about laminated bamboo. This is also the expertise of my company. Now we can combine various processing methods such as using a woodworking machine, CNC, Industry 4.0, etc. Laminated bamboo is a standardized and mass-produced bamboo material. It can be used in building materials, tea trays, and other household items. But we need to pay attention to the coating part. The next part is the application of strips. When weaving, different colors can be produced by using different sides of strips. The bamboo mat can be used for sleeping. It can also be used as a curtain. It can even be used to make a whole floor, etc. In addition, heat treatment is also very important for bamboo material. We can bake the bamboo with a hot air blower at 500 to 600 degrees Celsius, to bend the bamboo. Or we can use some methods like steaming, high-frequency heating, etc. For example, the 43 chairs mentioned earlier are made by using fire or hot air to create curvature. Then we talk about the part of bamboo craftsmanship and the bamboo crafts industry. I prefer to categorize the applications of bamboo, the amount, production and value. The first is bamboo artwork. The second is bamboo crafts. The third is bamboo handicraft products. The fourth is bamboo industrial products. For example, there may be only one piece of bamboo art. It is exquisite and the production is rare. Maybe one piece is worth 300,000 to 500,000 NT. Craft products also have such prices. Take the bags of Louis Vuitton for example. But the number of craft products is higher than that of artworks. Many countries, including Vietnam, Thailand, Indonesia, etc., have many craftsmen who are developing towards this direction. There are many bamboo craftsmen in Taiwan. They use their own design and hands to make handicrafts. They may only make 3 pieces, but each piece is very exquisite. I would encourage bamboo craftsmen to cooperate with my company. After the handmade crafts are sold out, the craftsman can fine-tune and improve them into a version that can be mass-produced by machines. For example, Chair 43. At first, it was handmade. But if it is modified, then with the help of existing processing technology, it is possible to put into mass production. The most representative bamboo industry product is bamboo flooring. It is a product that can be produced in large quantities. It is beautiful and comfortable. The important thing that we need to pay attention to is the moth-proof. If bamboo were available in every country in the world, we could use the methods we have discussed today to study and research and localize it. Find your own niche and thus make bamboo products which are for both personal use and commercial application. Let the world know the beauty of bamboo. This is the most ideal situation. Then, we can achieve the ultimate goal of saving the earth by replacing wood and plastic with bamboo.